I have a new Milwaukee front brim vented safety helmet. Protects on the sides and the top. It's a Bolt series. It's got a little sun visor on the front of it to keep the sun from hitting you, like sort of like a baseball cap, but smaller. It's got a little clamp here for a universal light. It's got two little clips here to hold flashlights, pens, pencils, whatever you want to hold. And lots of adjustments on the interior chin strap. Definitely safety orange. Has a little instruction pad. Little instructions, and inside here are some little labels if you want to stick to the helmet. But that looks really cool. We're going to take this completely apart, show you how to do that, and put it back together. You look back in here, there's some tabs. Push in the bottom. The strap comes out. Push in the bottom here. Strap comes out. This one's a little hard to get to. Use the top of your thumb. Comes out. Okay. That's your chin strap. And then you can pull it through here. Comes all the way out, and you can clean that separately if you want to. Okay. Let's take this little frame out. Start with this front piece here. You can see if you push it forward to the left here, you'll get to a bigger hole area, bigger diameter, and it'll pop out like that. Do it on this side. Push this piece forward. It'll pop out. Okay, and the back straps, you just have to turn them so that this lines up with the narrow part, and that comes out. And then turn this one, and it comes out. Let's take this out. This is going to take some screwdrivers, a small Phillips screwdriver. These little screws are only in there with a couple turns. Let's see. 1, 2, about 3 turns they come out. Okay, there's the main brim. Let's fish those screws out. And that's it. This foam area is sealed in there. It doesn't come out. Front top liner, size 6.5 to 8.5. Occupational head protection in accordance with ANSI ISA Z89.1-2014, Type 1, Type 3, Type 2 Class CLT. Made in USA with global components. Milwaukee. Oh, this will come out also, this clip. You want to take the clip out on the side to put in another type of attachment, or just remove it, push this in, and pull it out from the top. There we go. Okay, let's reassemble everything. Okay, let's put the main head adjustment in. We're going to put these back slots in first, and then the front one to turn this. The low tab is horizontal here, so we'll make it horizontal. Actually, I'll do it from this side, and then just twist it up. Sort of locks in there, and then this one this tab has to go in front of that big hole. Push it forward. And then it slides back. It's in there. Try this one again. That goes on first. Try to get it parallel. And then we just twist it forward. And then this one slides in. The big hole. It slides right back. That's on. Let's put the chin strap on now. Make sure when you're putting the chin strap back on that the little connectors face down, not up. Okay. Well, this just feeds through here. And these little things poke in the little slots. Pushed on here before to get them out. We don't have to push, we just slide it in there and it'll snap in. It'll be a good secure fit. And get them on the sides. There you go. Now on fitting these, you can turn this, if you have a very large head, or turn it smaller if you have a smaller head. And you can adjust these straps here simply by pushing through and pulling back to make this longer or shorter so your ears fit comfortably in here. Similarly, you can adjust this back strap here to make this come forward a bit. Pull all the way through, back up and down through here. So this is all one continuous strap here. And they just come out on the bottom here. There's really nothing holding them other than this little bracket. So if you want to adjust it, this comes through, comes underneath here, back through this loop, loop up and all the way down. And your main adjustment is, if I pull a bunch of this, I can tighten this up, and then if I wanted to shorten this one, push it all through, push it through here, here, and here, and tighten it up. A little red line on here, I guess that's the default. This one fits me perfectly, but allows you to go backward or forward with these straps. Pretty simple. And on the chin strap itself, this is the ear straps, same thing. Push it forward and pull one back. Push this bottom one back through and then take whatever you want to tighten up. And pull it through here. Like that. And then secure it off. So you do have a lot of openings here. You can put a variety of attachments in there. Let's put this little clamp back on there. So it goes in this one. Push it through. Okay. Put a little screwdriver on here if I want to. Hold it. You can stick something in here, like a pencil. Then we have a light mount on the front, head mount. Just snaps in. And we just pull it back out. So let's attach a generic light to here. This comes apart, pushes back in, comes back out, comes back out. Okay, depending on your light, first thing you're going to do is come up through this outside and feed it down through your little slot. This one has 2 slots with a gap. Some of them don't have gaps here. So you just feed it through like that, and this strap will go back in the next hole on the frame. It'll come back out the third hole in the frame, feed through that slot on the light, and then go back to the fourth hole and Velcro in. Now you get a nice mounted light for your helmet. And then we're just going to slide the light back on till the little bracket goes over this little slot here and clamps in there. Here we go. Nice light. Let's try it on. The helmet on. Clamp it shut. Tighten it up. Don't want the light, take it off. Nice hard helmet. Safety hard helmet. Looks great. Feels great.